In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam offline mode. This is perfect for times when you're traveling, have a spotty connection, or just want to play without relying on the internet. Start by opening the Steam client while you're online and log in as you normally do. Make sure your internet connection is active. This initial online session allows Steam to validate your account and licenses and cache the information it needs to let you play later without a connection. If Steam can't talk to its servers at least once beforehand, offline mode won't work reliably. Next, prepare the specific games you want to play. Launch each game at least once while still online. Let Steam finish any updates and allow the game to complete first-time setup, like installing redistributables or anti-cheat components. This step is essential because if a game hasn't fully updated or finished its first run, it may refuse to start offline. Think of it as preloading everything the game might need, so nothing tries to download after you disconnect. Keep in mind that a small number of titles rely on online-only services or always-on DRM and won't function offline. For most single-player games, you'll be fine. Now enable offline mode. In the top left corner of the Steam window, click the Steam menu, choose Go Offline, and then confirm by clicking Restart in offline mode. Steam will shut down and immediately restart without trying to connect to the internet. You'll notice indicators in the client that you're offline, and online features like the store, community, and downloading updates will be unavailable, which is expected. At this point, you're ready to play without an internet connection. Open Steam normally and launch your prepared games. Single-player titles and any game that doesn't require a live connection should work as usual. Achievements and playtime will continue to track locally and sync the next time you go online. Cloud saves won't upload while offline, so your progress will sync once you reconnect. Features like multiplayer, workshop downloads, and automatic updates are disabled until you return to online mode. If a game refuses to start or Steam asks for an update while offline, it usually means an update or first-time setup didn't finish earlier. Reconnect to the internet, let Steam and the game complete their updates, and repeat the process. That's it. With a quick setup while online, Steam offline mode lets you keep playing when the internet doesn't.